Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell in the title, it's going to be a different video. This is going to be a video partnered up with Insert Name Here. If you guys don't know Insert Name Here, it is a company that sells hair products and very high quality hair products, to be honest. Like, I have been eyeing them for a really long time, and I just want to say thank you to Insert Name Here for partnering up with me in today's video. They sent over 2 products that I want to show you guys how you guys can use them, and I think you guys are really gonna like it. It's really easy to use. My mom has used it. We tested it out and everything, and we really liked it. And as you can tell, my hair needs a little bit of help today. Like, this got to go, you know. And for today's video, I do want to show you guys a quick look how to use the Insert Name Here hair products and hair tools. And this is going to be like an easy holiday look for you guys. It's going to be honestly a holiday look, but you can also use it like an everyday kind of look, or a really easy, simple hairdo. Let me tell you guys, I am really excited to show you guys. I have been trying it out and I'm really obsessed with it. I have been eyeing them for a while, and if you guys don't notice, if you guys are like in the beauty world, they are promoted everywhere, so everyone's been using them, which I am like obsessed with. So I have the Insert Sleek Hair Here product today, tool, and I have this one right here, and I have it on right now. It's off, but I still need to press it. This is really cool. I'm going to be posting the price here for you guys, and I will be leaving a link down below. So they did give me a discount code. I will be leaving the code right over here, and I'm also going to be leaving it in my description box with the link so you guys can try it. It is not an affiliate code. I'm not going to earn any money off that, but you guys will be earning some discount using that code. This is going to be a tool that you use for your hair for these days, you know, when you just kind of straighten your hair and then like the next day is not as straight, and you just need like a quick hair tool that is going to give you that like hair sleek kind of vibe, you know. So I'm going to be turning this on. You have the button right over here. You can see right there, it turned it on, and it goes to 355. You can go a little bit higher. I'm going to be using 410. You could let it like sit down there for a bit and let it like heat up a bit. And it does get hot right here, so you guys want to be careful. It's not like burning hot like this, you know, but like it is going to be hot, so you guys want to be careful. You could kind of touch this. This is not going to burn you because all the hot stuff will be inside here. This is really cool. You just like, you're just going to basically start combing your hair with this. But before you comb your hair with that, I would recommend detangling your hair in the beginning, just making sure that like your hair isn't that tangled. So I will detangle it first. You guys ignore the roots. So this is before the hair tool. Just want to show you guys the before, because we are going to be showing the before and afters. So this is before. You can tell it needs a little bit of help. It's too poofy and just not it. So basically you're gonna just kind of use this and slowly comb through the hair. I wouldn't say all fast. I would say slowly, so you can get some of the heat to your hair. You can part your hair, and it's just going to be easier if you're trying to get all the hair. I let my mom try it out, and she really did like it. And she has like more of a wavy kind of hair. I actually have curly hair, so in order for me to use this, I actually have to have my hair straightened already. So you have like really curly hair, this kind of won't work. You would have to like straighten a little bit and then maybe use it like the next day. You know, these are just for like emergencies. Now, if you have like wavy hair and it's kind of like a wavy straight, then this will for sure work. If your hair is kind of like this, it's gonna work for that, you know. But if you have really curly hair, it might not. But it's really good for those days that you have like curly hair and you straighten your hair and then the next day is just curly or wavy. Then this is really good for that. And it actually helps for your hair not to be frizzy, which I really love. And this is just in a couple of minutes. As you can tell, like it looks really nice and smooth, and it just looks more tamed, you know. I'm trying to see myself in the mirror back here, you know, because I have a mirror in the back, but it looks really nice. If you guys have been looking for a tool that is like a hair tool that's going to straighten and then comb your hair, this is it. I'm obsessed with this. It is so good. When I tried it, I was like, I have been eyeing this, and I don't know why I haven't grabbed it, but I love it so much. Like, do you guys see that? Look at the difference, like before and then after. Like, excuse me, like this is so pretty. And I also feel like this is a perfect Christmas present. I just feel like this is it, you guys. This is really good. Okay, so we are done. I am like obsessed with this hair tool from INSERTNAMEHERE. It is so freaking good. I love it. As you can tell, this is the after now. Like, it looks more tamed, it looks more nice, and it's just perfect. So now the next thing that I want to show you guys, this is like the easiest on the go kind of thing. Now, if you're trying to go for like a nice pony moment, and I think this is really good for the holidays now that it's coming up, Christmas and New Year's, this is perfect. So I'm going to show you guys the pony that I have. This is a pony that I have. This is the JORDYNN pony, and this is in the shade pumpkin pie or copper, right? I think it's like it comes in this little pouch right over here, just to show you guys. And this is considered, oh, this is a copper one. It's not pumpkin pie. I think online I saw that it was pumpkin pie, but this is the copper shade. Now, I know I have colored hair, right? So when I was trying to look for my pony, I actually had to go to the website, and they actually have a color matching quiz where you can answer some questions, and it will basically tell you which hair color is perfect for you. That's how I did it to mine when I got my pony, and I was like, this is perfect. This is so easy. And you guys can actually get it at Ulta. And Ulta, I think they do have like the more basic colors. You guys can get it there, and they do have certain ponies there. So you guys want to see it in person, you guys could do that if you guys have like black, brown, like the more basic hair color. But I did want to make sure I wanted to get the right color for my hair, and I ended up getting the shade copper. Now, like I said, this is JORDYNN pony. This is more of a, I think it's like more of a this is a mid-length with layers curl. This is 18 inches. So if you guys are looking for like a pony, I feel like this is like the perfect size because it's not like too long and it's not too short. It's like the perfect mid-size length size. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying. But, you know, this is kind of cute. So I'm going to go ahead and put a pony on so you guys can see. So you want to make sure you want to get all the hair very slick to the back. And if you want to use a scrunchie, I highly recommend using like these thin scrunchies, not like those thick ones. So I would just recommend getting those thin hair ties, something like this. And this is actually really good for girls that have thin hair. And let me tell you why. Because this is going to give your pony volume. See, now the thing is that I already have a lot of hair. I just want those nice, beautiful curls. So this is perfect for me because I just want to use like those nice curls that this pony has. Now, if you have thin hair, this is going to give your hair volume, and I highly recommend that. So I'm already tying my hair here. Now, they recommend you doing your hair into like a braid, or you can do like a little mini bun depending on your hair length, your thickness. My hair is actually really thick, so I could do the braid here. Okay, so I did a braid now. So what I'm going to do I'm going to open up the ponytail. And this ponytail, they actually do send out like 2 bobby pins to you. So that's really good because you're going to need a bobby pin. So we're going to go ahead and just snap. We're going to go ahead and snap the pony right in the back. And then we're going to basically wrap this strand of hair that they have here and wrap it around. Then once you're done, you're gonna go ahead and just put a bobby pin there. Okay, now that the bobby pin's in there, now it's going to look like this. Do you guys see how beautiful that looks? I am like obsessed with it. That's what I'm saying. If you have thin hair, this is actually going to work for you because it's going to add that volume that you need for your pony, and it's actually going to look really nice, and it's already basically styled for you, which is really good. So it looks like this now. Do you guys see how beautiful that looks? Like, it is so pretty. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I love INSERTNAMEHERE. Why? I actually have another pony. Let me just show you guys my other pony that I have. So this is the other pony that I have, is Sharon, and I'm going to open it. This is also another copper one that I have, and it is actually longer. Do you guys see that? This is more of a beachy waves. It is so pretty. So that's what I'm saying, you guys. If you guys have short hair, if you guys have thin hair, if you guys just feel like your pony needs a little bit of help, this pony, it is so pretty and I highly recommend it. Like I said, I do have the discount code in the description box if you guys want to check it out, especially if you're trying to get it before Christmas. I highly recommend getting it. Isn't this like the perfect hairdo for like a holiday party? It's like, look at that. I just need to back up so you guys can see. And then it's just, look how pretty that looks. It's just so pretty. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Have you guys heard of this brand? Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys get it? Do you guys have one? Have you guys seen it on Instagram? Let me know. Thank you so much, Insert Name Here, for partnering up with me in this video and sending me these products. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.